Are you looking for a way to enlarge a small, noisy photo or bring your old or low quality images back to life into something big, sharp, and print worthy? Well, don't worry because ON1 might just have the solution. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, ON1 just released its brand new photo upscaling tool powered by AI, the Resize AI. This tool is designed to help photographers enlarge their images up to 10x without losing detail or quality. Whether you're preparing prints, enlarging crops, upscaling AI-generated images, or restoring old images, Resize AI delivers impressive results without artifacts or blurring. It's kind of like Upscale tool in Luminar Neo if you've used it before. But it's not a free update. Resize AI is a standalone app and works as a plugin for Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom. And in this video, we're going to take a quick look and test it out to see what kind of results we can actually get from Resize AI. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here we are inside ON1 Resize AI. I've prepared some sample photos from Unsplash that we're going to use for testing. Honestly, the user interface is super simple. The only real editing tool here is the crop tool, and that's pretty much it. But hey, let's see how good it actually is. First, I'm going to zoom into this object and see how well Resize AI handles the details when we upscale it. After cropping, you'll see a bunch of adjustment options on the right side that you can use to enhance the photo. Under the Settings tab, you can choose between different AI models depending on your needs. The highest quality model is built on a diffusion-based AI system. This one's all about detail, perfect if you want gallery quality enlargements with realistic textures and clean edges. Then there's the standard model, which is optimized for speed and reliability. It's ideal for working with noisy or low-resolution images, or if you're on an older GPU. This model still gives great results, but runs faster, especially on large batches. Then there's sharpening. You can either adjust it manually or use the built-in styles to apply a preset look. You also get face recovery, which is super useful for portraits, especially when you're working with low-res or old images. Below that, you can add film grain if you want a more textured or vintage feel. Then the tiling tool, which lets you break a large image into multiple panels, great for printing wall murals or posters. It even includes printing guides and overlaps to help you line everything up. And finally, Gallery Wrap Creation feature, which is perfect if you're printing on canvas. It adds margins using mirrored, stretched, or reflected edges, so your image wraps cleanly around the sides, no awkward cropping. To activate any of these features, just make sure the little circle icon is toggled on like this. Once you're done with everything, over on the left side, you'll find the built-in print module. It lets you go straight from resizing to printing all in one place. You get templates, layout controls, and full direct-to-printer support, which is super convenient if you're working on a print project. And now, here's the before and after. Look at how flawless the image is. Even though I've zoomed in this much, the details still hold up really well. Oh, and one more thing. The app runs really fast. I haven't experienced any lag so far, which is honestly a big plus. So that's a quick look at Resize AI from ON1. From what I've seen so far, it's definitely a powerful app, especially with all the extra features. Whether you're printing your work, restoring old photos, or upscaling images for AI art or design, Resize AI really delivers. And like I mentioned earlier, this is a standalone app, so you'll need to purchase it separately. Right now, it's still on discount. It costs $66.59, and there's a free trial available too. So grab it while it lasts. If you are interested, feel free to use the link in the description to get a discount and support this channel. And I'll definitely be testing it more and comparing it with other tools like Topaz Gigapixel and Luminar Neo's upscale in an upcoming video. Let me know in the comments what kind of images you'd like to see Resize AI tested on. Portraits, landscapes, AI art, or maybe low-res phone shots. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.